damn noisy. I'm just trying to get my act together and get my bike out. So, and I parked here last night. At 3 a.m. and I've been working on a video, and now I'm going to go for a ride. And I just put this SD card in. So we should have an engine in the back. Longer than I thought it would be. About 1 hour. Yep, so there's the Kansas City Southern. Oh, it's in the middle. So I'm in Missouri. I'm not sure where. I got into Missouri about midnight, and I traveled for 3 hours. And I found a bike lane, or a bike trail. And then I went looking for a place to camp, and I found a campground where there were people around, and there was a bar, and Friday night, and loud people. So I continued up the road, and I continued, and then I came to this well, doggone thing's long. So anyway, that's it. So here I'm parked as a porta potty.